Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today, we're going to be doing Black Girl Magic with my collaboration group, and I am so here for it and excited. I had to go ahead and pull down the hair and lay the edges, and I have to go ahead and use this scarf again because it is absolutely stunning, and I just can't wait to see what I come up with. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I just know that I wanted to do something that exuded just the creativity and the culture that's within us, and I'm so here for this. So if you guys want to see what I create with this look, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Don't forget to like and comment below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. I absolutely love our culture and the different elements of creativity we bring to it, so I just wanted to pay an ode to that and do something creative today with the makeup. So let me just brush through these brows real quick with a little bit of powder, and I used my chalk dust powder. I like to put setting powder on my brows because I'm oily and it really helps out with that. I'm using the e.abeauty pencil. I cleaned up my brows a little, but I didn't really go in like I need to. But even that little bit helped because, honey, these brows were looking a hot mess. Looking good already, right? Now let's just hair-like strokes. Alright y'all, brows are good. Let's clean those up. I'm cleaning those up with the Juvia's Place number 16 concealer. Alright, that's good. Let's blend this out. Sorry about the light bouncing around, y'all. The lighting right now is just all over the place. We're going in with the P. Louise base in the Rumor 2. I'm going to go into the matte book. And this is from the crayon case. And we're going to start creating some magic. Thinking I'm going to do, let's do some yellow. We're going to tap the yellow above the crease. Next I'm going to go into this green color, light green. Tap that into the crease, like so. And I'm just tapping the color, and it just will blend as you tap it. So you don't have to go in swishing it around, not on this part. That's really pretty. Now I'm going to go into a darker green, and I'm going to go just directly into the crease. And a little on the lid, but we're going to cut the lid so it doesn't matter. That's good. I used the same brush for all of this, just so you know, so you don't have to use a lot of brushes to create this look. Now I'm going to go into this really dark brown and just bring that into the outer V and blend that across the lid. I'm going to go back into the lighter green color and kind of blend it together so that we can get a seamless blend right here. And the goal right now is just to get the seamless blend on this lid. It's not even about, I mean on the, in the crease, it's not even about the lid. Now I'm going to go in with another brush and I'm going to go back into the yellow at the top and blend that. Light green underneath. We just bring back all of the colors in the gradient to make sure that they don't get lost. Then the next mid-tone green directly in the crease. And I'm going in with the loose leaf wipes from the crayon case. Okay, so I dusted away the extra powder that was there. Now we're going to go ahead and cut the crease using this. Now we're going back in with the P. Louise base and going into this crease. Alright, beauty, so next we're going to go into this pink color here and start to tap that on. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. Alright, now I'm going to go back into this darker green here and kind of just go over the line right above the white. Go a little into the brown. Then blend that. Just need that gradient to be a little darker. Then to go over that line that we had there, I'm going to go into a pigment. But first I'm going to go over the line with lash glue. Now I'm going to go into these two glitters and I'm going to add these to the lid. So this lash glue and go over the whole lid. I'm going to change the color of this part right here. I'm not really feeling it. Let's just do a white. I might switch that to like a green. That's just not quite setting with me well. And I feel like I need to darken this crease still just a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with my box of crayons and go into the black. I'm going to go in with this neon green here. I'm going to use my lashes from A Misbehave. And I'm using the style called K Rihanna right here. I'm really excited about how this looks. This looks so cute and different. I'm going to add some lash glue to my, going in with my full frontal mascara from e.abeauty. Let's just get crazy with it. This lighting, every time I look up, I look like a ghost. Alright, now we're going in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. So let's go ahead and get started on the face. We're going to go in with Juvia's Place facial products for our foundation, highlight, and contour. Mozambique, Beat In, and number 16. Let's blend in the foundation first. So we're going in with the A Chalk Dust Powder. To contour, I'm going in with the Composition Notebook from the crayon case. I'm going in with the O Chalk Dust Powder. Put these over the smile lines. Then just blend the excess underneath the cheekbone. I'm thinking I'm going to do pink just to offset everything else. So we're going to go into this pink color here. Alright, now we're going to start blending away the excess powder. Then I'm going to add my mascara. This is the Full Frontal Mascara to the bottom lashes and really coat it so that you can see those lashes pop. Now we're going to go into our blush. This is Always Rosy from e.l.f. Going into my e.l.f. bronzer in the color Deep. And we just want to bronze up. and be a beautiful bronzy golden goddess. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and go into the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter and highlights. Blend this out. Blend this. Turn this zit into a mole. Loving that glow, y'all. Now we're going to add some rhinestones to our baby hair. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with these lipsticks here. This is from the Crayon Case and Juvia's Place. We're going to outline with the lip color called Gumbo, and that's going to be like a lip liner. Next we're going in with D2 from Juvia's Place. Then I'm going to go in with Marie lipstick from the Crayon Case. And now I'm going to go into my Huda Lip Kit and go into this Ritzy gloss. Alright, this is beautiful. Oh, y'all, I am feeling it. Now I'm about to go ahead and finish the look and I'll be back. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I just wanted to really be eccentric and have fun with this look and really just bring out the creativity that I feel like Black Girl Magic exudes with the rhinestones and our baby hairs and this beautiful vibrant, you know, shadow. And I feel like this is really like giving me like a glow. Like, am I like glowing right now for real, y'all? I feel like I'm glowing like a highlighter. And I love it. I feel like this just came together so nicely, and hope you guys are here for it the way I am. Thank you guys so much for your support. Don't forget to comment below and let me know if you are feeling this look. Let me know if you feel like I slayed this. Let me know. Let me be able to talk. Let me know if you guys are feeling the Black Girl Magic with this look. I really am, and I really am here for it. And thank you guys just so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please don't forget to share the videos. Look at my last few videos, y'all. I am always uploading and I am just here for it. This month of February has been so fun and inspirational, and I'm just so thankful. So thank you guys so much for always tuning in and just really being a part of the family. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. And subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment below, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.